Estaba yo conversando con el rector de la Universidad de los Andes, se me ocurrió comentarle, y es que la parte espiritual está siendo relegada por la parte práctica, el conocimiento práctico. Entonces se me ocurrió y dije, yo creo que la universidad necesita un espacio para meditar, para pensar. Entonces así fue como arrancó el proyecto. Entonces ahí encontramos un sitio, pero no podíamos meter nuestros cuadrados. Entonces teníamos que ocupar el sitio, pero por debajo de la tierra.
1 year ago, the university campus management team implemented for the first time a building information modeling in the construction of a new building for the university. Due to this pilot project, the university understood the benefits of BIM and asked the project management research group from the Faculty of Engineering to model the project in order to validate the design, construction schedule and logistics and the quantity takeoff. Nevertheless, the parametric models were created based on the scheduling and information given by the contractor company. The group realized with the 4D modeling that the existing site conditions revealed misconceptions in the constructive process proposed. Consequently, a second 4D model was required, which was capable of dealing with the new challenges. To solve the problems, the project has been divided in 5 topics: surrounding buildings, existing vegetation, topography, access, and industrial safety. Since the project is located in the middle of the university campus, the building is surrounded by 3 buildings. The nearest building is the Economy Library, which is adjacent to the project's backside wall. This creates a logistic challenge because it reduces workspace for earthwork equipment. Different types of robust trees and vegetation surround the place of the construction. The 4D model shows that 2 of these trees are at risk to be harmed because the ground walls construction are interfering with their root. Moreover, because of the location of the university, the vegetation of this area is protected by the district and forbids the logging. It was necessary to plan the movement of the trees to a higher zone. Because the entire project is below the ground level and there is a steep topography, it was necessary to make a deep excavation. Besides, some points of the project are 5 meters below the original topography. Consequently, it was necessary to make the excavation by trenches and to anchor the main retaining wall to guarantee the stability of the structure and the ground. The project has no car access because of the location on campus. Consequently, the logistics to bring and take out materials, earth and equipment is difficult. Moreover, the topography slope makes the only access to the place to be a 3-meter wide steep ramp. As a result, it was necessary to plan a very detailed schedule in the Synchro model in order to ensure the correct timing. Because of the heavy equipment that is needed for the excavation and anchor construction, the project must have safe circulation areas with proper signage for the safety of the workers. Also, in the model, most risky activities are identified more effectively to prevent any accident. For the modeling of the existing conditions, we relied on different files from different sources. Some of them are in SketchUp and some others in 3D Max. Synchro will help us combine them with our Revit model and the topo surface, obtaining only one lighter model, easy to orbit and self-explanatory. For the university top managers, it is important that all project results and new information are presented and discussed during projects committees. The more visual they are, the better it is. Therefore, not only 4D simulations will help us to simulate and achieve a better project schedule, but also it should clearly explain the interaction of equipment, time, resources, safety, site, and personnel. In addition, Synchro allows us to take BIM to a higher level.
Una herramienta fundamental para detectar todos los posibles problemas que hubiéramos tenido dentro del desarrollo de la obra y que nos hubieran causado alguna demora de no haberlos previsto. Tuvimos aquí un problema muy serio en materia de anclajes, que si no hubiera sido por los modelos y básicamente por toda esta herramienta, se hubiera podido causar muchas demoras adicionales en la ejecución de la obra. También para control de presupuestos y básicamente para rendimientos y todo, el Synchro es una herramienta, me parece a mí, fundamental para el desarrollo del proyecto.